नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटियाओं। आई एम JVN प्रोफेसर मंजू शर्मा। प्रोग्राम नेम BA B.Ed, यूनिवर्सिटी नेम ज्योति विद्यापीठ विमेंस यूनिवर्सिटी। I welcome to all in university class. Today we talk about discussing about maxims of teaching. Maxims of teaching. Topic: maxims of teaching. Maxims of teaching. Teaching activities and test of teaching are organizing performed in various activities, and maxims of teaching are very important for teachers. The teacher follow the maxims of teaching, include their lesson plan, preparing their lesson plan. So maxims of teaching are very important for student teachers. Introduction of maxims of teaching. Teacher decided the way of teaching and support to maxims of teaching. Today we talk about maxims of teaching. So we write following maxims of teaching. Teacher, what are these maxims? What are these maxims? A teacher have observed certain rules and regulations and comprehension of learners. So she potentiality of every learner and gave example according their potentialities and according their stage, according their class. So there are 11, 12 the following are some important important maxims of teaching. Proceeding from known to unknown. Go from simple to complex. Next, take hall before. Take hall before taking parts. Taking parts. Next, concrete. Concrete should to proceed abstract. Next one, use psychological before logical. Employ. Next one, deduction. Added in then induction. There are maxims of teaching. Proceed from known to unknown. Every learner want to easier language. Known. Any topic, learner already known their content. Teacher support their known to unknown knowledge. They know India is our country and other countries name, which is right. Tell me 5 countries name of the world. So teacher follow their learners' knowledge known to unknown. Let's go from simple to complex. Learner, their stage, according their class, according their content. Teacher give simple examples of the learner. The learner simple language. Teacher simple long language. Teacher taught teaching in class language. What are the language? Verbs, noun, preposition, alphabetical, word, and make sentences, and after they go to paragraph. So simple to complex. Student teacher prepare their lesson plan, follow the maxims of teaching. And so go from simple to complex. Every student teacher go from learners stage, learners topic in class and simple to complex. Take whole before taking parts. Teacher going in class and she gave small examples like that. Teacher taught about, teacher teach about trees whole and parts, branches, leaf, stems, overall one by one gave knowledge. So maxims of teaching, take whole before taking parts. पार्ट्स बताने से, पार्ट्स की नॉलेज देने से पहले होल, टॉकिंग अबाउट होल ऑफ द टॉपिक. नेक्स्ट, कॉन्क्रीट शुड proceed abstract. Concrete proceed to abstract. This is the example of bravery and honesty. Bravery, concrete, bravery and honesty. Concrete should to proceed abstract. Maharana Pratap. Maharana Pratap's example is bravery, not feared, not, and Shivaji is honesty. तो Maharana Pratap and Shivaji are known for concrete, bravery and honesty. So this example is concrete should to proceed abstract. Next, use psychological before logical. Psychology is understanding the learning behavior of learner. So, teacher should every classroom's वातावरण, healthy वातावरण, don't fearness, every learner sympathy and motivated to every learner. So the maxims of teaching are known as use psychological before logical. Psychological atmosphere creating in classroom, then after teacher deliver their. Next, employ deduction, iterator, then induction. Deduction, iterator, then induction. There are many examples of learners that what are resources of water, what shapes in various. तो deduction, iterator. Every learner every time water is powered in different vessels. Every time the water is poured by different vessels, containers. It takes the same shapes as those of the deduction lead to induction. Next one is particular should lead to general. Particular particular leads, particular should lead, particular should lead to general. Particular should lead to general. Every time teacher lead to general knowledge, general concern of related topic, and after they explain their topic step by step, and they use magazines in their planning of lesson. Next, take easy first and difficult next. Take easy first and difficult next. Take easy first. Every time provide knowledge and start their topic to easiness, and then after teacher tell election process. So teacher arrange the arrangement of artificial voting system. Teacher take easy first. Voting system easy in panchayat level, in ground level, then after national level. Any topic, any teacher present, prepare, starting there easy, so learner understand healthier way. This is important for magazines of teaching for learner, student teacher. Next one, proceed from empirical to rational. Proceed from empirical to rational. Empirical to rational. Proceed from empirical to rational. Heuristic method is best example for empirical to rational. It is used process to first observation, that experimentation. Next, go from analysis to learner want to each starting first play group, first class, learner arrange their toys and analyze and synthesis. Any colors, any blocks arranged in various colors, grouping. So, at first, go from analysis to synthesis. Analysis, learner understanding, analyzing, and after synthesis. Actual should proceed actual should proceed representative. Representative. Actual should proceed representative. A teacher of language should show objects, particular articles, colors in various. There are the representing of whole, later than object seen earlier. So there are many maxims of teaching are very important role play in lesson planning. Preface of teaching. The learner support and include their maxims of teaching, promote the basic rules and involve their stages and class-wise topic. They planning their macro lesson plan and maxims of teaching are supporting to motivate to learner will lead them. So, maxims of teaching are very important role in formation of lesson planning. Next, guideline for these maxims. Guideline for these maxims. Guidelines for these maxims. This is not, these cannot be any fixed sequence, for them. Maxims of teaching, these cannot be any fixed sequence for them. teacher need to first deduction to induction in mathematics teaching. So they supportive, they pick up, they lead the deduction earlier than induction. Other empirical to rational in biological science. So note cannot be any fixed sequence for them. Next one, much would depend on the actual classroom. Much would be would depend on the actual classroom situations. Classroom situation, background, is intelligence, etc. Much maxims are depend on age group, class level and intelligence of the learner. Which maxims are used teacher in their lesson and how does healthy understanding of the learner. Next one, all these maxims are tools to help a teacher. Tools to help a teacher. Known to unknown, difficult to easier, deduction to induction, psychological before logical. So all these maxims are tool, educational tool, supporting tool of the student teacher to support their planning of lesson, daily lesson plan. Next one, a teacher has to use on this creation from them. To use on from them. Next, teachers become teacher should not become teachers should not become slaves of magazines. Slaves of magazines. Slaves of magazines. They are master. So we teach magazines of teaching, and after guidelines for magazines. These cannot any fixed sequence use proper supporting their as an intelligence of learner, and teacher should not become slaves. Not important for pressurize to teacher कि teacher support the tools, but teacher support the tools, the teacher give their knowledge proper healthier way to learners, and interaction of learners, and knock learners potentialities, learner intelligence, and learner ideas, and learners interactions are very important for daily lesson planning. This session is powered by digital version 2.0. If any query, you write in comment box. We resolve your query. Thank you.